Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Epic Games not opening. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. First of all, open up the task manager by right clicking on the taskbar at the bottom of the screen, or you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to directly access the task manager. Now in the Processes tab, locate Epic Games application, just select it and click on End Task. Now this will close all of the processes and completely shut down Epic Games application. Now just open up the run by just searching for it in the start menu or integrated search bar. After it opens, type in the person app data person and just press enter. It will take you to the roaming section. Simply go back one step from here by clicking on app data and select local. Here just locate Epic Games Launcher and then just open it. Then go to save from here, delete the web cache file. If the problem persists, then open control panel and then select uninstall a program and uninstall Epic Games. Now to reinstall it, simply open up your browser and search for Epic Games official site and download it from there. And after that, most probably you'll not find any kind of issue while running your Epic Games. So that's how you can fix your Epic Games not opening. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.